Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. We are in red, we are in the Christmas spirit today, and today we're gonna have a really fun video, okay? So skincare has boomed, all of us are in love with skincare, not just because of the results that it gives, but also the aesthetic value of it, guys. A lot of us actually enjoy slathering it on, a lot of us actually enjoy the packages that skincare products come in, the scent and the fragrance that the skincare gives, the touch and feel of it. It's more than just results today. It's more than just the clinical, hey, I need glowing skin. It's also the sensory pleasures that a skincare product gives. So today's video is about 5 skincare products that are actually really fun to use for me, okay? May it be the texture or may it be the packaging. These products just make me happy to grab it out of my shelf and use it, and a lot of the time I use it just because it's just fun. So I thought we will make skincare fun, a little light-hearted approach to the video. Also, these products are not bad. They are amazing products which are also fun to play with. So having said that, if this is the very first time you're seeing this face, hello, my name is Jovita, and I would love it if you took a second to click that red subscribe button just underneath this video, or black or blue or green, whatever it is, click it. Now, let's get started. The very first product I want to talk about is Coxir. Now, Coxir is a brand that a lot of people have not heard about. It is also confused with CosRX. This is not CosRX, guys. It's called Coxir, Coxir, and they are very, very famous for their black snail collagen cream. Now, if you check YouTube or skincare blogs, this one product will keep popping up as one of those amazing Korean skincare products that you must have. Why? It has 3 amazing skincare ingredients that are just, it's just, let me just get into it, okay? It's got snail mucin, it's called black bean extract, and it's got collagen. So it tightens your skin, it firms up your skin, it plums out your skin, it evens your skin tone, and it also nourishes your skin. So this is why I love the results that this product gives. Now, let's talk about what is fun about this product, okay? Guys, this is it reminds me of melted marshmallow, okay? So I keep the lid on because I don't want this to pour out into wherever my vanity and whatnot. I have used quite a bit of it. If you can see, it's all white, so you might not, it is so sticky and gooey, and you might think that it goes on sticky on your face when you apply it, but the thing is, once it's on your face, it has the most velvety, moisturizing. Let me put it on my hand and show you. So it just absorbs into your skin so easily while leaving your skin glowy and dewy. You know that typical Korean glass skin glow? It gives that once you apply this on your skin. It's not sticky at all once you rub it in, Give it 15 minutes. It's going to stay on your skin for 15 minutes, and it will also absorb into your skin. So I love to use this as my nighttime final layer of moisturizer, your night mask, if you will. And when I travel to cold countries, I will be using this as my moisturizer even during the day, because it's just so hydrating and nourishing, and all of these ingredients like the black bean extract and the collagen is so great for anti-aging, for anti-wrinkle, for plumping, hydrating, nourishing, all of that. So this particular line comes with everything you get. You get a black snail collagen toner, you get an eye cream, you get a serum, you get everything, but this particular moisturizer is my favorite out of the whole lot. But I also want to show you the eye cream. It comes in one of these giant tubes, guys. It's gonna last you a lifetime. And do you see how stringy and how, look at that, like glue, but once you rub it into your eyes, you don't feel that at all. That is the magical fun part of it. Seeing this, you would think that it is so sticky, but it really is not. Once you just put it into your skin, just absorbs. It just absorbs and melts away and leaves your skin so hydrated and dewy. I've got makeup on my skin today, so I'm not gonna apply it over the makeup, but take my word for it, guys. This is just so much fun, and this is the black snail collagen range from the brand Coxir. Moving on, let's talk about Juicy Chemistry. So they sent this to me a while ago, but I did not get the chance to try it out yet because I had so many products to try out. But starting tomorrow, I will be trying it out. This is their prebiotic ferment barrier repair serum. Now, it is a 7-day intensive care solution that is just so cool. It has Peachia mushroom and gotu kola. Gotu kola is Centella asiatica or Saika, which is one of my favorite ingredients, right next to rice water for skincare. It just works amazingly on my skin. Now, what is fun about it is that it comes in these little vials, okay? They are glass vials. There are 7 of them, one for each day. If you want to use it as an intensive treatment, you use one whole vial a day, or if you want it to be like a consistent maintenance kind of a thing, you use one vial for 2 days, I believe. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't have that much information, but I am definitely planning on doing a reel of this. So if you are not following me on Instagram, definitely check me out there. I do a lot of these instant quick reviews there. So I love this whole vial formula. You have to break it open. I think it's just fun, you know, like all of that. So yeah, you also, I believe, get like a plastic cap if in case you are using one vial for more than one use, so you can seal it back in, I believe. Anyway, so if you want to try this out yourself along with me, I have a discount code for Juicy Chemistry. It's Jovita on their website. So yeah, check it out. Next up is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. Now this is so fun. I believe this was the very first product of its sort that came out, and then so many brands duped it. We've got Etude House, we've got Pink Foundry, we've got so many brands who has the exact same concept. I believe this is just the lactocalamine that we get in our regular pharmacies, but in a powdered form. But I shook it while I was showing you, but I will have my B-rolls inserted right here. The top portion is a clear portion, the bottom portion is just powder. You dunk a cotton bud into it, you take it out, and you dab it on your pimple, and in 2 days time it's gonna completely dry out your pimples. I think it's just so fun. It's such a fun thing to do because you kind of feel like a lab chemist with this glass bottle, and you have to carefully and precisely dunk your little cotton bud into it. They could have definitely made a cream like lactocalamine where you just pour it and put it on your face, but they made it interactive, which makes it fun, I think. So that's number 3 for me. Number 4 is from Murad. Oh, I keep calling this Murad, but it's Murad. It's Murad, guys. I'm always corrected by the brand every time I speak about them on my channel. Anyways, this is the Daily Clarifying Peel. I really like this product. I haven't had the chance to really dive into it, but the concept of it, I've tried it maybe a week. I already like it in a week's time. Anyways, they've got the AHA, BHA and retinoids in it. So basically all of your exfoliating, peeling, regenerating stuff in one bottle, and it's a daily kind of a formula. What I like about it is the bifacial nature of it. I love anything that comes like this. It just looks so intriguing to me. It's just so visually pleasing. So it's got the blue bit on top and a clear bit underneath. You need to shake this up and take a few drops and dab it on your skin, but I just like to see that, on my vanity when I take it. I play with it for a while, and that is after which that I apply it. Another product from Acne Squad, their final Super Shield Serum or something like that. I've given it away to a friend of mine, so I don't have it with me, but it's got the same way, 2 levels, an orange bit and a pink bit. Orange and pink, how cute is that, So you have to like shake it up and then apply it on your face. I find it so pretty and beautiful and fun. And finally, from the brand called Saturday Skin, we have the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. Now, if you remember from my Garnier Vitamin C video, I really roasted them, and I really roasted the yuzu-ness of the lemon. I remember that. And now here we have a really high-end brand with the same yuzu lemon. I hadn't heard of yuzu lemon at the time, so I'm like, what is this yuzu? But yes, we fancy now. It's 2 years later. We know what yuzu is, okay? But anyways, take a look at that bottle, guys. The packaging itself is so pretty. Yes, there's a lot of bulk in there. There's a lot of wastage in there. But if you love the aesthetic alone, if you have like a pretty counter, I don't. I stay in a very cramped, very small room. But if you have a beautiful vanity, this sitting on the vanity, just imagine that, But more than that, what I like is the consistency of the mask itself. I've used quite a bit of it, as you can see. It's like a clear yellow gel with suspended yellow powder in it. It's so difficult to catch that on camera without like a macro lens, I believe, but I'm trying my best to show you what it looks like. But yeah, I really enjoy this. at nighttime. This is a sleeping mask. It really hydrates your skin, and yeah, it's a sleeping mask. You know, you wake up with glowy, hydrated skin. That's what it does. And it also smells like yuzu lemon, darling. Yuzu lemon. Okay, we're fancy now. We only talk about yuzus. Anyway, so these are 5 skincare products that I really, really enjoy. It's fun to play with. They also give good results. They're not just boring white bottles, just clear, no fragrance, boring. how how things have changed when it comes to skincare, right? Anyways, now it is your turn. Tell me, what are some of those skincare products that you love playing with? I cannot wait to read your comments down in the description bar below, and I shall see you in my next one. I love you. Mwah. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up this video.